Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So students, in this video we will gonna discuss about collection of secondary data. So let me first tell you what is secondary data. Secondary data means second hand data which is already in existent. Who collected this data? Government agencies or government institution. We can adjust this data according to our needs, according to our objective. Okay, so secondary data is divided into two parts: public source and unpublished source. Published source means which is published somewhere like newspaper, magazines, reports. Unpublished data means which is not published somewhere. Okay, it is for the government office work or record work or self use. Okay, now what is published sources? Okay, it is divided into eight parts from where we'll get the secondary data. Published means this data is published somewhere in newspaper, magazines, report. Okay, first government publication. This provides us the statistical information by state, central government. This data is fairly accurate and reliable. We can trust the data because it is issued by the government. Some example written are here: banking data, report on currency, banking, RBI news bulletin. Second one is semi government publication. Okay, who runs its? Municipalities and metropolitan council. They publish records on health, या birth rate, education level. This data is also reliable because it is published by semi government sector publication. Third one is report of committees and commission. These committees were appointed by government. This also issue lot of statistical information about the country. Fourth one is publication of trade association. Big trade organization. Trade means sale and purchase organization do research about their divisions, trading activities. So example were written of just sugar mill association is there. They publish report or information about how sugar mills, progress of sugar mills in India. Next one is publication of research institution. Various universities, research institution publish information on whichever topic they research, like PhD holders do some research works. Okay, examples were written over here. Journal and paper, some newspaper, some magazine issue some reports, articles. Okay, publication of research scholar. Yes, some individuals, yes, scholars issue research paper on any topic relating to statistical information. Last one is information international publication. Example, United Nation, International Monetary Fund, World Bank. These days World Bank, UNO publishing reports because economy is decreasing day by day of the all countries. Okay, now unpublished record, which government produce or collected for their use, for their office use. These were not published anywhere. Okay, now last topic is precaution in secondary data. What precaution we have to take while collecting the secondary data? Ability of collecting organization. Is the organization capable of collecting these data and adjust according to their objective? Second one is objective and scope. What is your scope, your objective? Why are you using these secondary data for your objective? Method of collection, which method of collection you use. These are methods are written over here. Time and condition of collection, how much time you are having for collection. Okay, or how much time you will take for collecting information from these sources. Accurate, these data, if whether these data are accurate. Okay, whether these data are adequate or this information is enough for you or want more, or whether these data are suitable for your inquiry. Or so guys, this is the topic. Hope you like the topic. Thank you everyone.